Hi everyone and welcome to the Maldives. We're here at Sun Aqua Veli and we're about to show you inside of this lovely beach villa with a pool behind me. So if you want to follow me up to the deck, we'll show you the view. As you can see, lovely big private pool here, literally 5 meters from the beach. And as you come round, you'll see that lovely blue lagoon behind. So this is the private decking. There's 2 sun lounges here, beautiful white beach. As you come back through, there's a seating area here, table and chairs here to enjoy drinks outside in the morning or in the evening. And I'll now head on inside to show you the bedroom. So there's a great big double bed here. This resort's brand new at the time of filming. It opened in December 2018. So we're one of the first people to be here. As you can see, mini bar area there, office, there's a TV here, there's a lovely seating area over here. Sit back and enjoy, very kind of beach vibe to this villa. As you can see, these nice chairs and furniture, very kind of natural and white and clean. We'll take you through now, past the front door and the wardrobe area, and now we are in the bathroom. So I'll let you come around and take a little look at the shower here, the seating area here. And as you look around, you'll now see there's this lovely bath here, 2 his and hers basins, huge big mirror. If I come around here, you'll see the indoor shower. So there's 2, the one you just saw there, the outdoor shower and the indoor shower. And if we come around the other side, here is the toilet. And we'll walk past through the wardrobe, dressing room area there. Out to the amazing view. So thanks for watching. This is Sun Aqua Veli here in the Maldives, and we'll see you next time.